Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. So before I do today's analysis guys, I'm just gonna do a quick recap on GU. So what was I expecting on GU? If you're watching my previous analysis on GU, I think we were around this area already, and I said that there's a possibility for us to push to the upside before pushing to the downside, and that was because I still saw this momentum of a sell. So I said there is a possibility that we might have this impulse, a correction, and a continuation to push to the downside. As we can see that my target was certainly around my negative 27% fib level for the minor direction, which is, so this basically was the minor direction. So I said there's a possibility we might get to that level right here, and we can see that also align with this break of structure right here before we continue to tank to the downside. But like we know, we don't predict the market to react to the market. The market continued to tank to the upside, and we are currently hitting my negative 61.8% fib level for the minor direction. So we can see we had that around this area, and we are currently reacting around that area right there. So right now I'm just going to reanalyze it and see how the markets will play out. So let's just delete all this right here. Let's see, delete this one as well, delete this one as well. So just like you know, I like to do top-down analysis. I'm going to go to more bigger time frame just to see what we are looking at. Just like I've said in my previous video, I'm still predicting it to at least push to the downside. So there's a possibility we might continue to push to the downside based on how we are seeing it right now. And maybe our target right out of right now might be like my 28.6% fib level, which is 1.22980. But remember, this is a bigger time frame. This is the monthly time frame, so we have to be mindful of that as well. So now go to my weekly time frame and see how the market is playing right here. We can see that we're currently having this rejection around that area, even despite the fact that we've had lots of consolidation and rejection around my 61.8% fib level, just like I explained in my previous analysis, right? So I still predict we're pushing to the downside on GU guys. So let's see this right here. Let me go to much smaller time frame. So you can see right now that this, based on this my fib level, we can see we have this impulse, a correction, continuation, push to the downside. It's my negative 27% fib level. We know negative 27% fib level is a reversal level. Like, that's a reversal level right there, right? And that is why we actually continue, we reversed and made a correction move to the upside. And we can see that currently where we are on my bigger time frame is my 23.6% fib level. So we are currently reacting around my 23.6% fib level, and you can see that if I use my fib around that area right there, that is 61.8% fib level right there. So using my fib right around here, from first impulse right here to another impulse, we are currently reacting around my negative 61.8% fib level, which we know that is also a reversal area right there. So those are just confluences that we might continue to push to the downside, and we can see how this candlestick is as well. But let's be mindful that the candlestick hasn't closed yet. We still have about 22, right? It still has about 22 minutes for it to close. So that will also determine like if the sell is now in the market right now. So let's go to most longer time frame. We can see that we have this impulsive candle right here. We just need more confirmation for us to know so that we can enter the trade for sell right around this area right here. We can see on my 2 hour right here we have We have this doji candle. We've rejected around my 23% multiple times, and my 23% fib level is a continuation level. So I'm still certainly predicting more push to the downside. Let's go to my 1 hour time frame to see my 1 hour. A little bit solidified it. Let's go to 45 minutes just to see. We can see, I think I like the 1 hour better, solidified it, and we saw this level right here. So there's a possibility that we might just push up a little bit to steal my 23% fib level to give us like an M pattern, because M and W patterns works well with G with GU. It does works well with GU. We can see came here, give us the pattern, push to the downside. It's really work and it helps to know. So there's a possibility we might push up a little bit, maybe to this imbalance right here, to push to the downside and give us that M pattern. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, right? It just have to be we just have to have the confluence for it to actually continue that way. So I'm predicting it to actually continue to push to the downside, guys. As of right now, that is what I'm seeing. So but like we know, the market still does what it wants to do. So right now we might, let's see, so we might come here, give us the M pattern, then continue to push to the downside. And I'm predicting right here, let's change the color of that. Right here. So that is my first scenario right now. But if you're pushing to the upside, just like we know that the markets can do whatever it wants to do, then certainly this here right here will be my target. Right here will be a good target. One around this here right here will be my target if you're pushing to the upside, which is basically 6414. Yeah, that would be my target right around that area. So I think I'll have to, but like I said, for us to do buy, let's see, the market has to close above at least the zone right here, because if you look left, right, if you look left, we can. So yeah, let's see, just in case we push to the upside, we want, I think I might delete this one. For us to push to the upside, let's see, for us to push to the upside, let's see a break of zone, so something like this, a retest, continuation to push to the down to the upside. So I think we have to need confirmation from that, because if we look to the left, we can see that's a significant area, so we might start rejecting around that area as well. But just in case we break that zone, then we need more confirmation just to confirm that is a breakout and not a fake out. Just to confirm that, right? That is what we are doing. And possible give us a touch around this area right here. We can see first touch here, second touch here, a possible third touch before we might not continue to tank to the downside. So that is why I said there's a possibility that we might push to the upside before pushing to the downside. So that is my quick thoughts on you guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.